Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Subaru WRX Sti. This casting is by Hotwheels Silver Series and part of Compact King set. This is number 3 out of the 5 cars. Looks like a nice casting, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Subaru WRX Sti out of its box, and first thing you will notice is this custom paint job. It's finished in matte gray with black on top of it. Looks nice. Wheels, I don't think I've seen these wheels before. They also look very different, unique. I'm gonna start from the front. So in the front you've got some nice details. As you can see, painted headlamps, Subaru badge, lower grille is also detailed. You got both the mirrors, windshield wipers, so it looks good from the front. Looks really nice actually from the front. A lot of good details here. Now moving to the driver's side, but before I do that, you can see how the hood is in contrasting black rather than hood and roof, so different contrast there. Now on the driver's side, talked about the wheel. They look very unique. Haven't seen them before. Again, you've got those black flames going on the door. Got a Brembo. B pillar and C pillar are part of the glass, not on the metal. 4-door, obviously. You don't get 2-door WRX. It's a hatchback, not a sedan. You can see that. Wheel arches slightly flared because it's a STI, so it's slightly wider. Very good details there. Coming to the back, again some nice details. You can see I've got a big spoiler, Subaru badge, tail lamps which are nicely detailed, STI badge, and Hot Wheels written on the number plate. Also, you can see quad exhaust. Let me focus there. You can see the quad exhaust down there, which again looks really good. So a lot of good details in the back too. On the passenger side, looks almost identical. The only difference, fuel filler here. This is how it looks from the top. You can see the shark fin antenna. So the black treatment is only up to roof. Spoiler doesn't get that. And this is how it looks from the bottom. Not a lot of details there. Interior is finished in black, and you can see some of the details here. Overall, I think it's a nice looking casting. Sadly, we don't get a STI anymore for the Subaru or even the hatchback, but this one does look good. It's one of those, I think it was the last generation of Subaru WRX that had a hatchback, at least in North American market, and I think it looks really good in this paint. So should you get one? Well, I think you should. It has got some newer wheels, nice paint, and good details here. And Silver Series is a good balance between, details and also price. Oh, I forgot to mention the base is plastic. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.